G'day everyone, back again for a quick little video with my son's BMW. Just got the front fog light to change out, so I'll show you what's going on there. So I'm just going to replace this. As you can see, all the glass lens is broken, so we'll rip that old one out, we'll throw a new one in. Obviously being a peat plater, we just don't want anything like this that's easy for police to pick up on. Now I've jacked the car up just to make things a little bit easier for filming and whatnot. You don't necessarily have to do it. There's a couple little bolts just in the inner guard. Well, I'm just kind of going by feel. Well, there's one here and one up here. So those two locations right there. So those two bolts are 8mm. So I'll just rip those off. So if we look under the front here, there is some bolts here. So I've just taken out this one here. There's a couple more, well, two more here. That one is not a bolt, it kind of looks like a pin, but you don't have to undo any of these ones. It's just this one in the corner, and then you can pull back that inner guard. So we just need to pop that inner guard back, and we can just see there's the fog light there. So we've got one clip, so just push that, unplug it, and there's should be a couple of screws. I'll try and get a camera in there to give you a good look. So we've got a bolt here, and there's another one just up on the other side here. So just the two that hold it in place. Again, 8mm, and the whole thing should just pop out. And there is the old one out. Now, obviously, if you're just changing a bulb, it's just a twist and the old one comes out, and we can throw the new unit in. Slide the new one in. Kind of one of those things you're working blind a little bit in here, so just going by feel. So these don't need much, just a bit of a nip. You don't need to hold the whole car together with them. So with that in place, we probably should just test the functionality of the globe, just so we know what's going on. So let's do that now. And globe's blind. No, globe's not blind. I just forgot to plug it in. Let's try again. There we go, that's better. So yeah, there's the old forget to plug the damn thing back in trick. So just remember that by next time you nearly do your nana at it. So now it's just a simple matter of whacking those screws back in. I'm just going to put myself, put my head in the way, I guess. So even if you need to change the headlight bulb, you'll still need to get in and do this part. So they're pretty easy to get in there. Like I said, 3 screws, bolts, kind of screws really. And we are pretty much done. There we go. So there you go, real simple job. Yeah, so the next job on this probably be a bit more challenging. I've got to do the air cleaner, so there's a bit that needs to be pulled apart and dive into that. I don't know when I'm going to do that yet. We'll see how we go, but if you enjoy some of the BMW content, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Shout out to members of the channel, so Byron and Dave. Thanks very much, guys. As always, appreciate it. Dog's way wandering around looking for rats, aren't you, dog? Yeah? Oh, you're taking all the shot. Right, okay. Yeah. Until next time, see you later, guys. Take it easy.